Welcome to Lucidspark, a virtual whiteboard designed to help you collaborate in real time. Today, you'll learn the features and tools you'll need to confidently navigate, create, and participate in a virtual or hybrid team meeting using Lucidspark. Let's begin by navigating the board. Your view is unique to you, and moving around only affects your personal view of the board. Two-finger scroll or right-click on your mouse to grab the board and drag or pan around. If you're using a mouse, press the spacebar and scroll. Or if you're using a touchpad, pinch to zoom in and out. If you ever feel lost in the infinite whiteboard, don't worry. Just check the mini-map to the bottom right to figure out where you are or to navigate to another part of the board. As you work, you can see the other collaborators' cursors for your convenience. But if they're distracting, just click the people icon to the top right, and again here to toggle them off. Now let's create. Add your first ideas to the board. Click any tool you need from the left toolbar and drag it onto the board. If you want to keep using an object you've created, double-click anywhere to stamp the last object you used. Then click and drag the objects to move, rotate, or resize them as you work. Also try these shortcuts to instantly switch to another tool. Just make sure you don't already have something else you selected. In fact, the L shortcut is the best way to draw a simple line. Or just select any object and click the line tool to drag and connect it to another idea. Now select any object and use the context toolbar to customize it using text, color, and line options. Actively participate in the experience by adding emoji reactions, organizing, and voting. To add emojis, click the Reactions tool and choose a reaction. They'll appear below the object. Just hover over the existing reactions and click Add for more. If you choose the wrong one, click it again to remove it. And get this, another way to add a bit of fun and personality to the board is by using the Images icon on your left toolbar to insert a GIF or two. And now we have a shack shimmy. When you're ready to organize, you can create tags to add labels and convey themes. Once a tag is created, you can add or remove it by using the tag icon from the context toolbar. You'll want to follow the lead of your facilitator for managing the board, but if you want to categorize your ideas further, you can create containers by using the Organize tool. Use your cursor to highlight the shapes you need and then gather and sort based on the criteria you choose. Once your ideas are clearly organized, your facilitator can put it to a vote and see which ideas the team loves the most. As a collaborator, you'll be asked to click on the Start Voting button to start your session. Then, hover over objects to cast your vote or remove it. Submit your votes before the timer ends and watch as your team's votes populate in the panel. Done brainstorming and ready to put those ideas into action? You can share, export, or convert shapes to Lucidspark cards by selecting the card shape in the context toolbar. Then, the facilitator can direct the team how to organize the cards on a timeline. You can also use lines to show dependencies. This card is dependent on this task getting done, for example. Want to check in or ask questions about the progress of a task? Use comments to get feedback during or after the meeting. Now you're ready to navigate, create, and participate in a meeting using Lucidspark. Have fun and happy brainstorming! Nice.